start this tour outside here in this beautiful backyard. We're over here in Savannah, and these are Tim Morrison homes. This home is over 2,500 square feet, and this backyard is beautifully done. I really like all of the items that they put over here. This beautiful covered patio, and they really complemented this really nice by this beautiful tile here. It's this natural stone, and it has a rough edge to it, just beautiful. So come on in. When you enter into this home, this is the Violet collection, by the way, if you could see the on the wall here. It's 2,574 square feet, and these are Taylor Morrison homes. This home is absolutely stunning. They did a beautiful job on it, and they were very creative with the layout of the floor plan here. And I also want to point out that they have this nice sharp corner in this home here with this kind of orange peel texture. So if you come over here, to the left, they give you this really nice bedroom here. It's actually quite tall. The ceilings maybe 9-10 feet in this home, throughout the entire home here. And also, if you notice, the doorways are actually quite high. I do want to point something out here though. This doorway is not very wide. So the doorways in this home look to me like almost like a 2.5 feet span. So they're a little smaller than normal. And over here in the front of the home, they have this other bedroom, which is about the same size. So you're looking at about a 10 by 12 bedroom here, possibly a 10 by 10. So they give you a really nice size wall closet, and I really love how they decorated this home here. And here's, we'll go outside, I'll show you the exterior, and this really nice little patio. Coming back over here, they give you this really nice full bathroom. Bathroom gives you this nice double vanity, and also this really nice kind of square cut bathtub here. And I really love the tile that they used here. It has some nice texture, kind of a diamond pattern, just beautifully done. And they also gave you an extra linen closet here as well. So coming back over here into the back of the home, I'm going to pan over here to the right and show you this office that they have set up here. You can also have this as a as another bedroom as well. They brought this beautiful tile work into this home. It almost looks like a white washed wood flooring, but it is an actual tile. So they did a beautiful job on that, and this is all throughout the house, so it really makes the home seem a lot bigger than it is. So coming back over here to the study, they did do a beautiful job at simplifying this. And these homes, I want to point out to you, do have your fire extinguishers in your ceiling already, and also throughout this home is your canister lights in the ceiling. I'm going to pan back just to show you the length of the entryway, and it's just beautiful. I would love to come home to this home. And over here is your kitchen. Let me point out your pantry. They give you a real nice sized pantry here, and it does kind of go around a little bit, so give you a little bit of extra storage. And now here, corner kitchen, if you notice, the cabinets do go all the way up here to the top, and I love the cabinet work here. It's really sleek, very modern, and here's the inside of your cabinet. So great idea to put them to the ceiling, and this is a rare home that I've actually seen them to the ceiling. Generally they only go about to where the large cabinet is. So they gave you this GE cooktop, all GE appliances here, by the way. So you have this really nice 5-burner cooktop. It's a real nice profile, higher end here. They gave you this nice warming drawer or your microwave. And they also complemented this with this really nice double wall oven here. And your standard size refrigerator here, but it is counter depth. And over here, this extra large island, you have this stainless steel dishwasher along with your faucet and your double sink here. And I just love this faucet, what they do with it. And also they brought you these real nice, very modern, kind of vintage pendant lamps here. So opposite of the kitchen is this expansive living room. It's quite large, and also this is where all of your backyard would be, and these doors do all slide into one. So this room here is actually quite large. It does not have a fireplace, but it's certainly big enough for entertainment. And I'll back up here so you can kind of see the whole home entertainment area right here. And I also want to point out in the kitchen this beautiful tile work that they brought in here. They just did a spectacular job with it. So I see so many beautiful tile work in different homes. Over here is your dining room they have set up for you. And I imagine you could put a nice chandelier if you choose to. And I do like that this is situated so you have your backyard views. And this is located up here where you do see the valley. And also you see the Las Vegas Strip. Coming back over here to your owner's suite, the nice entry here. They give you this extra closet. It's quite large for extra storage. And here is your owner's suite bedroom. And I do like how they set this up. They give you some nice windows on each side here. And I really do like the expansive windows that they give you here in the back. Although I am sure you can open this up if you choose to for the future, if you want to have some more entertainment space in the back there. So this bedroom is fairly large. It's not overly big, but it does have a nice little seating area, as you see. So it's large enough for a little bit of a ensuite. Over here, I am loving the bathroom. They gave you this super large, expansive vanity, and it's a double vanity. And they gave you these nice white cabinets through here, as well as this beautiful tile work. And I also want to point out this shower here. They did a spectacular job with it. They give you this beautiful tile here. Looks like a 9x18. And down below they complemented it with these beautiful tiles on the floor here. I like the area where you can put your items, shaving or whatnot. And also I'll pan up here, and there is a rain shower as well as a normal shower here too. So I do like that they gave you these double turn-ons for the showers, so each one whichever you choose to do. And they did wrap this into this really nice work into the front here. And also you will notice in this home that they gave you this very modern molding work through the home. And there's not much detail to it, but it's just a very modern look. And that leads you into this large walk-in closet. They've already outfitted it with some shelving, make it a lot easier so when you move in, you have a lot more storage. And that does wrap around into here. All right, so I'm going to take you back to the front of the home and show you the other rooms. Now, when you come into the front door again, you come over to your left. I can't get in there. That is your garage door. And they give you a half bath on this side. Beautifully done, although I'm not sure, it's kind of dim in here, but beautifully done. Loving the tile work that they put in the wall here. And they brought in a nice single vanity. So on the right here is your laundry room. I really like where this is set up because it's super convenient to the home. And I love the tile work that they put back here as well. This is really nicely done here. And they give you this nice large sink. So this is outfitted pretty well. A lot of storage room. So this is a really nice little laundry room here. Now coming back here to the final bedroom, I love this bedroom. It's super comfortable and quiet. They did give you this nice full bath and shower here. And again, the bathtub is kind of a square bathtub, which I happen to like. It seems to give you more room. And they finished it off with this really nice detail work with this tile. Coming over here, here is your single vanity they gave you. What I do like about this house or this bathroom is they also gave you an extra storage for your linens. Now coming back over here is your final bedroom. I'd say this is probably a 10 by 10. It's not huge, it's super quiet, however, and it's a good size for your guest or whatever you like to do with it, or a child. And they also gave you this wall closet here. So this house is outfitted really nice. You do have your registers in the ceiling up here, and also your attic access as well. And here is this home. They have this nice patio right here when you walk in. This little gate area here. They brought you around to this 3-car garage. The home is stunning. I love the rock work that they put on the fascia of this home to bring out a little bit more detail. And these lamps are really nice and really complement the home quite beautifully. So that concludes the tour of this home, and please like and subscribe. Let me know what you all think. I'm happy to come out here and be able to do these tours for you. And again, this is Jack Owen-Parker, your real estate professional. Please like and subscribe, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.